At the beginning of every spin cycle, your washer is able to determine if your load is out of balance. If so, the washer will attempt to rebalance the load. It does this by filling with water and then agitating for several minutes before draining the water and testing the balance again. The display will alternate between small UE and the cycle time while the washer is trying to rebalance the load. This display is for your information since the rebalancing process is automatic. If the washer is unable to automatically balance a load on its own, it will pause the cycle and the big UE error code will show in the display. If this occurs, you will need to open the washer lid and manually redistribute the load, making sure that items are spread around the tub as evenly as possible. Close the lid and then press the start button to resume the cycle. If your washer is having trouble balancing the loads, there are some conditions to avoid so that the washer can more easily balance the load. Sometimes very small loads, and especially single items, cannot be properly distributed. In this case, adding some extra items that are similar to those in the load can help minimize the unbalance of the load. Balancing can also be a problem for loads that are a mix of heavy and light items. Try to avoid this type of load. For more information on how to properly use your top load washer, please watch the proper loading video.